discussion. Congress MP Manikim Tagore has moved an adjournment motion notice in the Lok Sabha to demand a discussion on the SIR, the Special Intensive Revision. And he has called it Manuwadi fascism. Now, he has gone on to say that this is the fascist government that is bringing the SIR in Bihar. Remember, the opposition has been alleging time and again that there will be disenfranchisement of the legible voters in this EC exercise. That's a claim that has been made by the opposition leaders time and again. And the opposition leaders have also been protesting in the parliament, not just inside the parliament premises, but also outside. The opposition leaders have been protesting, demanding that the SIR exercise by the EC should be axed completely. Now, today as well, the Congress MP has moved an adjournment notice, Manikim Tagore, demanding a debate on SIR. Remember, the opposition leaders have also been raising slogans within the House. They have been chanting slogans, and we've seen time and again adjournments that have taken place in the parliament because of these demands, because the opposition is unrelenting in its protests. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, the opposition has been demanding that there should be a discussion on SIR. Now, an adjournment motion also being given. What are the details? What is the Congress or the opposition strategy going to be in the Lok Sabha today?
Well, yes, indeed, as there is going to be a protest of the India Bloc parties at Makar Duar at 10:30 a.m. today, as well as in this particular protest, we have seen that how various opposition leaders are continuously raising a demand that there should be a discussion regarding this entire issue within the parliament, and even adjournment motion notices are also being given by various India Bloc MPs regarding this entire matter. Today also, we have seen that how this entire protest entire protest march has been planned out, and to talk about this matter more, we have been joined by the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Sukhdev Bhagat, with us. Sir, जिस तरीके से आप लोग लगातार प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, विपक्ष की तरफ से आवाज उठाई जा रही है, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ सरकार है कह रही है कि आप लोग सदन चलने नहीं देना चाह रहे हैं।
मैं समझता हूं कि वोट चोरी, वोट बंदी लगातार राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में न केवल कांग्रेस पार्टी वरन पूरा विपक्ष इसके बारे लगातार सरकार के संज्ञान में इन बातों को ला रहा है। हमने एविडेंस भी दिए हैं कि कैसे एक जो पेट डॉग है उसके भी बन गए हैं, सोनालिका ट्रैक्टर भी बन गए हैं, आपका वो नाम आ गया है। तो उनकी कार्यशैली के बारे में लगातार हम कह रहे हैं, और हमारा ये प्रजातांत्रिक का अधिकार है, और हमने उन अधिकारों का तहत जो चलते सत्र में, क्योंकि ये देश का सर्वोच्च पंचायत है, हम लोगों ने इन बातों को लगातार उनके संज्ञान में लगाया है। हमने डस्टबिन में भी वो वोट चोरी जो हो रही है उसके बारे में किया। तो मैं समझता हूँ सरकार को इसको ईगो का मसला नहीं बनाना चाहिए। सरकार को यह जिम्मेवारी बनती है, सरकार की जिम्मेवारी बनती है कि हर आदमी वोट कास्ट करे और चुनाव आयोग निष्पक्ष हो, स्वतंत्र हो। लेकिन मुझे कहीं नहीं लगता कि इस प्रकार की चीजें मैच फिक्स की गई है और वोट चोरी करने के लिए।
In fact, the Congress party and the MP have also gone on to call it that this is a colonial mindset, going on to say that this is fascist and the protests are only going to continue. We'll come back to you for those updates, but let's shift our attention now and get you an interesting update.